बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं हूं नाइला भट्टी। आप देख रहे हैं 24/7 न्यूज वर्ल्ड। नजर डालते हैं आज की अहम खबर पर।
मानचेस्टर बरतानिया से हमारे ब्यूरो चीफ आरिफ चौधरी की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम मानचेस्टर ब्रांच में एकेडमिक एक्सेलेंसी अवार्ड की पुरवकार तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया, जिसमें साल भर में आला कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा और कॉलेज अटेंडेंस करने वालों पर तलबा और तालिबात को तारीफी इस्नाद से नवाजा गया। सेल्फोर्ड कौंसिल के कौंसलर चुएमा मैगबी और कौंसलर पान सैयद की खुसूसी शिरकत। दूसरे शिरकत करने वालों में फेडो नेडो प्रोजेक्ट की कोऑर्डिनेटर रेबिका, डॉक्टर शैको काके, प्रोफेसर एंजडो एरीवा, डॉक्टर शामिला चेयरपर्सन एक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, राना वहीद एडमिन मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर, डॉक्टर जाहिद अली इंचार्ज बिजनेस कोर्सेज, सैयद हिलालुल इस्लाम, रुखसाना हुसैन, शमीला खान और दूसरे शामिल थे। प्रोग्राम को इंतहाई मुनज़्ज़म और कामयाब करने में सेनेटर हेड स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम मानचेस्टर साकिब अयूब का अहम किरदार था। स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम जिनकी ब्रांचेस लंदन, बर्मिंघम, मानचेस्टर, ब्रैडफोर्ड में हैं। स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम की बरतानिया कामयाबी में उनके चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव जाहिद भट्टी का अहम किरदार है। इस मौके पर सेल्फोर्ड कौंसिल के कौंसलर जुएमा मैगबी और कौंसलर पान सैयद और डॉक्टर शमीला का कहना था, बरतानिया में स्कॉलर सिस्टम का इन लोगों के लिए जो नौजवानी में आला तालीम का हसूल जारी न रख सके, इन बालिग अफराद को आला तालीम का मौका देने में बहुत अहम किरदार है। तालीम आपको मुस्तकबिल में आगे बढ़ने का मौका फराहम करती है। हम उनकी काविशों को खराज तहसीन पेश करते हैं।
From the scholar system, higher station, to encourage them for all they've been doing and all the achievements they have been through. Some of them have come from different countries here in the UK, and the most important thing is to give them that sense of belonging. And so far, the students, even far from home, they've made Manchester, Greater Manchester, their home, and they've also been able to make things, to achieve their studies.
Because what the scholar school system is doing a fantastic job. Because someone has rightly said that if you want to see a change, you must be that change, and that's what they are doing here. Giving that foundation to the students, and I'm sure with the help of the scholar school system, our future is safe for our future generations to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Professor.
Yeah, Professor. There's no man, that's what scholar system.
I've been delighted to be invited to Scholar School today to witness the award ceremony for the students here. Why is an initiative like this so important? As a person that studied as a mature student, I got married at 16. I had 4 kids in 5 years, so by the time I was I didn't have the usual opportunities to go back to study, and I was very fortunate to be able to be in a country where you're able to go back, be supported, and your teachers, your tutors recognise that you are coming from an unconventional background and to support you, and they supported me in my journey to becoming a medical doctor, and beyond that now I am the humanitarian mentorship lead.
एसोसिएट डीन प्रोफेसर एंड्रियो एरीवा और डॉक्टर शैको काके का कहना था कि हम स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम में तालीम मुकम्मल करने वाले तलबा और तालिबात को मुलाजमत की तलाश में भी मदद करते हैं ताकि उनका मुस्तकबिल बन सके।
Our recognition of achievement of students, especially our mature students. Why is it very important? Motivation and investment on students can only be seen by the achievement. So that actually ties up to the mission, vision and value of Scholar School, which is the key indicator why our CEO, Mr. Zahid, established this organization for the benefit of mature students who have spent many years supporting their families, bringing up their children, and as well hope to make progress in life for those opportunities they miss in their early years in higher education. So Scholar School provides a bridge and leverage digitally and face-to-face engagement to support this group of students. What does that mean to us in United Partnership? We are here today to celebrate the successes and achievements of our students. We are trying to recognize what they have done in terms of attendance, in terms of their output on their coursework, and in terms of also their dedication to the schoolwork. It's a milestone. and we hope they will transition from this period and then become eventually successful graduates at the end and contribute to society as a whole. So we are looking forward to meeting them, and that is exactly why we are here today. Thank you.
साकिब अयूब, डॉक्टर जाहिद अली खालिद और रेबिका ने आज के अपनात लेने वाले तलबा और तालिबात को दिली मुबारकबाद दी और उम्मीद जाहिर की कि तमाम मुस्तकबिल में मज़ीद कामयाबियाँ हासिल करेंगे।
I'm Rebecca Hargreaves and I'm the project coordinator for Feed Onido, and we're here today to celebrate for the students for their Academic Achievement Award. So we're here to give out certificates and recognition for all the hard work that the students have been doing this year.
Thank you very much everyone, our deans, our special guests, thank you very much for coming today. I would like to congratulate all the students who are listening to us right now in different rooms who got gold and the silvers. And I also would like to say the other students, because it's a great motivation for the students, the other students who can get and work hard so that in the next semester they will achieve the same gold medals. So thank you very much. Again, I would like to congratulate every student, all of the students here. It's a hard work from the lecturers.
Dr. Zahid, coach lead for level 5 and level 6 business and management. I would like to thank all those students who are receiving these awards for their good result, excellent results, and their excellent attendance over 90%. This is a great opportunity, and it will also attract all other students, and they will start working hard and they will show some positive results, and next semester maybe they will be here to achieve these. Thank you very much.
सैयद हलालुल इस्लाम ने स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम की कारकर्दगी को सराहा।
Determination is the key to success. And sheer determination with focus, vision drives you to the succession of a good student. Students are the beauty of this campus. With respect to all the lecturers, academic officers, retention officers, admin officers, and my special gratification goes to the Dean, Dr. Azendo. And I salute my lecturer, Dr. E. Thutumit and Hala Albar.
राना वहीद ने मीडिया को आज की तकरीब के मुतालिक तफसील से ब्रीफ किया।
Today is Manchester Campus Academic Excellence Award ceremony today. So Scholar School System always support the students who performance in good attendance. So our CEO vision is to support the student, to encourage the student. So we are just giving some gifts, vouchers to the students who are 100% attendance and who are 70% attendance. So actually this is just to boost the student to evolve in their work. So Scholar School System is the best institution, always support the student financially, academically, in sporting as well.
कम्युनिटी लीडर रुखसाना हुसैन ने कहा, मुझे फख्र है कि मैंने आला डिग्री स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम से हासिल की है।
Rukhsana Hussain, and I'm a student of foundation year 12C, and it's my first time degree level, high level in the UK, and I would like to thank to our deans and LTU to giving us the opportunity to show our skills and groom ourselves at this age because it's adult education. And I'm also thankful to Scholar School System. It's really helpful, and their teachers are excellent. The support, the help, and the care. The way they teach us like a small children, like we get all the knowledge, and resources are very helpful. And other than that is extra the activities. And overall, I thank you so much to Scholar School to give the opportunity to stand here today. Thank you so much.
स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव जाहिद भट्टी और उनकी टीम की काविशों से स्कॉलर स्कूल सिस्टम बरतानिया भर में तालीम बालिगा को फरोग देने में मरकजी किरदार अदा कर रहा है, जिसे कम्युनिटी के अंदर कदर की निगाह से देखा जाता है।
मजीद खबरों और अपडेट के लिए देखते रहें 24/7 न्यूज़ वर्ल्ड, मुस्तकिल खबरों की दुनिया।